Welcome back to the channel. We are getting the other garage bay here cleaned up. This was our storage bay. It's a big mess because this is where the lift is gonna go. Lift we already set up over there. Lance and I got it lifted all up the other day. Well, that's just one post, but it's gonna go right in here, and we got some stuff. We're gonna need the space for some other trucks and things that are coming here in the coming weeks, but that's not what I'm talking about for today. Today, we are going to pick up another car that we are eventually going to jump off the wall. Yeah, I got a free car, a van actually. It's pretty rough, but it runs and drives, and we're gonna jump it off the wall just like we did with the Sonic. Might do some other things with it as well, if it runs and drives. I actually don't know if we're 100% certain if it does run and drive. I just kind of assumed that it did, so we'll have to see that. But we're gonna go check it out, see what happens. We're gonna hop in the Mini over here, go get ourselves a free car. We might even get an update on the F-150 because, well, the F-150 is actually like right next door to where this van is sitting. So we'll see if we can check that out as well. All right, so here we are. We got the new car in the background, not the S10. Let's go check it, take a look at this thing. Next thing to go off the wall. We got the, I have no idea what year it is. It's like 80s, maybe early 90s. Plymouth Voyager, filled with stuff. I think we should probably leave that all in. It's free. And we're gonna see how well it flies. Well, if it runs, we actually don't know that yet. I think let's get, you got the jump pack there? All right. We got the key. We do have that. All right, let's pop the hood, see if we can start it. Oh, that's a... See? Nah, it's just spiders, and it was a big grasshopper. I freaked out. All right.
This is gonna be fun.
It's actually, wow. Actually fairly clean under here.
What do you think the twine's for?
That just holds stuff in. I won't even worry about that.
Well,
Okay.
alright.
Now, yeah, we don't know if it runs or moves. If it doesn't, then we're probably not going to jump it off the wall, but... Okay. Actually...
Sounds alright.
Sounds really good. And has a full tank of fuel.
That's gonna be fun. No heater for it. That's been eliminated.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to back it up. We're gonna move it over to this parking lot over here. That way, we're gonna have a rollback come and get it tomorrow. And because actually, where the Ford truck is, funny story, is right across the street there. Because they're gonna get the Ford truck and the van at the same time. Let's see if it moves. The alternator's any good?
I don't know, try it. I mean, yeah, I do actually, because it's... Yeah.
Yeah, because this one shut off already.
Right. Oh, okay. You didn't do that very nicely.
No.
It runs pretty quiet.
Did you drop it?
That's the plan for later.
Yeah. Alright, it's warm in here. Let's see. I wonder if... Oh, let's see if the windows...
Hand crank.
They do.
Should have done a cold start.
How flat are the tires?
Not bad.
Actually runs fine. It's actually like not even an issue. So guys, let me know. I mean, it's going over the wall because it moves and runs. Just let me know what you think if there's anything else we should do with this prior, maybe a little off-roading. I mean, I think it might float in the pond. Who knows?
If you shrink wrap it.
Would we shrink wrap it? Oh, we should shrink wrap it. We should shrink wrap it.
Oh man,
right.
Sounds like a lot of work.
Well, we got a lot of shrink wrap. So, okay. Well, this is the new project car for the channel.
See if we can get somebody to sponsor you for a lift.
Yeah, can we lift it? Yeah, I'll just key.
Yeah, maybe just put it over the visor or something, and then delete that part of the video. I don't think.
So we came over here to do a little peeking, and we think it's so blurry. You're not probably not gonna see.
Oh, actually, this one's the clearest. If you want to.
Okay, let's go over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's the F-150. It's sitting.
I think that is ours.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's straight ahead right there. Can't see the front end though, which is really the most important thing. But it's done as far as we know, right?
You know, I don't know if it's done, but yesterday, or no, Friday, they called and said, do you want the bumper brackets, you know, welded fast, or do you just want to have them kind of tacked in place? So if I want to adjust the bumper. And I don't think you'd ask that question if you were still like in the middle of the project.
Yeah, I don't think so. All right, let's head back home. All right, we made it back home secretly. This is the next day. That's why Lance is wearing different clothes. Skinny jeans, as always.
Whatever.
Looks like a watermelon standing on popsicle sticks. We're gonna fix the truck right here because we called our tow truck service that usually picks up all of our cars, and they can't get to the F-150 or that van for a little while. So tonight we're gonna go pick up the F-150. And we're gonna fix, the truck still runs like a son of a gun. So we're gonna try some of this.
We think it's a fuel injection issue. This stuff treats 100 gallons. I think I'm gonna just
I would put the whole thing in there. Yeah, it should make it run better. Yeah, I'll help out.
There it goes.
Okay.
Oh, that's thicker than I thought. Wow.
This is definitely gonna fix it.
Okay, I feel like that's
yeah.
too
Don't.
much.
No. Don't. Yeah. I didn't think you were actually serious about putting the whole thing.
I was gonna go about half.
Yeah. I think it's a good 26-gallon tank. It's not full, so the ratio should be right.
Listen to this. Guys, this is a
cold start up on a 97 with a 454. Oh, it's perfect. That's fixed it already. Actually, it started up pretty decent right there.
But I doubt that hit the fuel system yet.
Oh, it's not even close. So before we actually get on the road here, I thought it would be a good idea, which we got a brand new alternator. Check that bad boy out. Old one just seemed like it was maybe a little weak. I decided, you know, I haven't checked the oil in this in a little while. So like, here's how much we got in there. It's that. There's the operating range. So we're like, I don't know, it's low.
You need oil?
Yeah, she needed oil.
Really?
Yeah, not even, just barely touching the dipstick.
Really?
So I thought maybe I'd top her off a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna need a funnel. I'm gonna spill this everywhere. Oh, not too bad. Keep coming, just a little bit, hold it. It's close enough. See, close enough.
Real men doing work.
Oh yeah. This trailer's 10,000 pounds. Oh boy, that's why I can't lift it.
Let's see you do it.
I'm lifting it, I just roll it.
I know. I want to see you pull it forward too. Don't give yourself a hernia. All right, I'm impressed. And here is our Duramax frame and engine and everything, which we need to cover this up, that is supposed to go underneath this truck. But we're gonna talk a little bit more about that when we're on the road here, give you a little update on the OBS Duramax swap. Here's the wall. If you hadn't seen my original video where we dropped this Chevy Sonic off the wall. That's the wall we're gonna jump the van off to.
Ignore the wind noise here, but we're gonna have to stop by Harbor Freight and get some straps, because there was an incident recently for a video where I ended up breaking all of these straps that we had. I don't know if you saw that one. We tried to straighten a frame and it didn't work out. And how's the girl running?
I don't know, man. This fuel injector cleaner stuff is working. It is running hot.
Not like temperature wise.
No, like, yeah, like 208. Yeah. But
So, update on the OBS swap. We're thinking that the frame and engine that we got down there, that we're probably gonna go find another truck, like a rolled one or something like that, long bed, something with a good frame, good engine, kind of like that one. But that one needs head gaskets, and it's only a 2-wheel drive, so we definitely want 4-wheel. So it's really not the best frame for the swap, so we're going to be keeping an eye out for that, probably a Copart purchase. But definitely going to look for, and that one's only an 05, so we're going to look for an 06, so we get the LBZ 06, 07, or maybe even newer. I mean, that wouldn't be the worst either. But that's kind of the plan. All right, let's go get this F-150.
Got a VW Jetta coming up here. They want to go. They want to race. Oh, we lost. All right, got our new straps here. Should be good to go. $14.99 with a 20% off coupon. They were having a good sale in there, 20% off coupons and everything. They were running a special one-time only sale, like Harbor Freight does sometimes. Oh, did she just miss?
she's running bad again.
Oh, all right, you better get going now. All right, oh, yep.
So weird.
Cleared out though. Look, actually that Super Duty's all right looking. Little lift on her. How about this van though? Whew, a lot of trash in there. There she is. So let's check out the repairs. All right, so we got the whole rad support in. I wish I wouldn't have said rad support, radiator support. And check this out. There we go, there's the new welds, everything. Looks factory enough to me. And even though we took them the whole front section of the frame, they only replaced the cross member here. Everything else is factory. They welded on these bumper mounts as well, so we got them perfectly straight. Looks good to me, man. All the spot welds there.
Put a little primer and stuff on those, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, we'll probably spray this whole
Silver.
radiator support silver so it matches the truck.
Alright.
Oh, hold up one second. One of these pulleys is bad. One of them is bad, or may
Right,
make.
harmonic balancer maybe?
I don't think so. I think it's something else. Yeah, it's one of the ones I think on the top side, on the passenger side. Could just be the tensioner, but. All right, you're about against. Right there, yep. There you go, you're good. You're good. About to drop down. All right, yep. All right, we are all strapped up, good to go. Oh, hold up. You're too far over. Come back up. Come my direction. Yeah, you're gonna fall off completely. All right. Yeah, do that right there. Perfect. You take it down? All right. First real drive here.
Yeah. Seems good. Feels nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Feels like a new truck.
You cannot watch, or you cannot listen to the radio in here without putting your seatbelt on.
Really? That is what it says.
Yep.
That's some comedy stuff right there.
Gotta love Ford control in your life. But seriously, buckle up. It's stupid not to. So it's probably pretty dark on the camera here, but this came out really, really nice. It's just as good as factory from everything I can see. We're back here in the garage. Obviously, this is the Focus that we're doing a rebuild on, which I haven't even filmed anything of because it's just been kind of getting done sporadically. And we're going to take this one up to another body shop. We're working with an extra body shop now because we've given our normal body shop too many projects, and they're doing, yeah, we're keeping them busy. And so this is one here is going to another shop, and then we're going to bring the van back home again tomorrow night. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think we should do with the van. We can jump it. I mean, we're definitely going to jump it over the wall. But we could jump it somewhere else. We could wrap it in saran wrap maybe and float it in the pond. I don't know if we can do that or not. That's a lot of saran wrap. But think of some stuff. I'd love to have some fun with it before we completely kill it. I mean, maybe the wall won't kill it. Maybe it'll be fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.